Okay, so let's say you actually want to answer the question of whether two things have the same mean. So I said before, we're going to use what we call a t-test for two means. And it has 3 steps. These 3 steps are pretty much the exact same as the 3 steps that you followed for a t-test for one mean. The only differences are going to be in the research and null hypotheses that we write out and in the sampling distribution that we use. So our first step is going to be to write out research and null hypotheses. Again, where your null hypothesis is some statement about the world that you may be able to find evidence against using this test. And your research or alternative hypothesis, which is what's going to be written on the slide, your alternative hypothesis is just the opposite of your null hypothesis. So it's what's true if you find evidence against your null hypothesis. Your next step is going to be to find the t-statistic for your difference in means. So we'll be finding a t-statistic that we can plot on that sampling distribution and use to find a p-value. And then based on that p-value, we'll be deciding whether to reject the null hypothesis about our difference in means. So again, these are all very vague terms, and now I'm going to hop back over to the document camera and pull this all together with an example.